All right, as I've shown in some of the other videos, your lead loadle has got 5 different stations. Your first one here is going to be your deprimer and incisor. This one here is going to be your priming station, and it's also going to knock off that collar. Right here you've got your powder and your shot. These two are what people get a little confused about. The first one is going to be for the 8-sided star. The back one's going to be for the 6. This last one here is going to be your final crimp station. So I'll go ahead and show you real quick what to look for with the 8-sided star. So here you have your star. You have your points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you want to do is line up the valley right here, little indentation between the 2 star points, facing you and the 8-sided star. Now, with the 6-sided, it's usually going to be your 12 gauge, or sorry, your 20 gauge. I've never seen a shot shell that was a 6-sided star, so if anybody has run across that, please let me know down at the bottom. I haven't seen any. So with this one, you have it lined up like this. If it was a 6, you would have it in the back like that, but you want your star points facing towards you and away from you just like this. And that'll help you get a good crimp on there each time. So let me go ahead and demonstrate on this one. Drop my primer in. Go ahead and take the collar off. Get my powder in. Grab a wad. Go ahead and insert the wad. Drop my shot. Now I'm going to look for that valley. And when I put it in the press, I usually do it by feel more so than sight. And I can feel where it's lined up. Start my crimp. Go ahead and put it in the final station. And there's my final crimp. So pretty simple. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to go ahead and note below. Thanks for watching.